Hello my dear friends, welcome you again in my new video where I will tell you if your mobile phone is locked and you can't access your mobile phone, then this video is very important for you if you want to unlock your mobile phone. In this video where I will tell you how to unlock the lock of your mobile phone like pin, pattern and password. In this video you will also know that how can you remove the password lock without any data loss and without any computer. And the biggest thing is from this video we will also know that how can you remove the password of your mobile without computer. This method is also used in the service center now and you can use it. By doing this, you can unlock any Android smartphone like Realme, Oppo, Vivo, OnePlus, Samsung, Xiaomi, Redmi, Poco, Sony, etc. etc. So let's start this videos without any delay. First of all, whenever your mobile is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. When your mobile is locked, first you should not worry at all and take some new changes to your smartphone so that your mobile will be unlocked. If first of all you have to full battery charged of your smartphone so that your mobile will not switched off during mobile unlocking. If your mobile will be switched off during mobile unlocking, then all the important data of your smartphone remains in danger of being deleted. Watch this video till the end, only then you will be able to unlock your mobile phone by fully learning the method mentioned in it and applying it to your locked smartphone. Okay, then first of all you must full battery charge minimum 50%, 30% of a smartphone. Then after use the offline mode. In this offline mode, first of all you have to click on emergency call option from here, and when your emergency call option comes, I am telling you a secret code to unlock your mobile phone, but firstly you have to open offline mode in your smartphone to close all the running background running application. This is priority. Okay, I am telling you a secret code to open offline mode: star hash 1212008089 and hash. This is the offline mode, and now you have to call this code 3 times. When you call this code, a pop-up message is appearing in your mobile screen. Then you have to ignore this message and click on OK. You have to repeat the same process for 3 times. This is done. Your background running applications are closed. After completing this process, you have to clear the screen. The offline mode in your smartphone may not have been fully activated yet. You still have one process left, and that process is now you have to put your smartphone in airplane mode from these shortcuts. This is the airplane mode or flight mode. You have to click to activate your airplane mode. After this, you have to take a new and most important step here. Now you have to activate the master unlocking mode of your smartphone. It is also called engineer mode in the language of our service center. Okay, then you have to use that code to open engineer mode also, and this code is star hash 899 and hash. Okay friends, and as you will by clicking on the last hash button, the engineer mode will be activated in your smartphone. As you see here after sales page, this is also known as engineer mode. Okay, the page of master locking will come in your smartphone. Now you have to take some new important steps here. As you are looking at the number 5 option here, this is software version. You have to open this software version also, and here you will now see the Android version on here or number 2 option. It has to be clicked as many times as it is written here, meaning now you have to click on Android version as many times. If you are showing Android version 10 here, 11 here, 12 here, 13 here, then you have to click it 10 times, 11 times, 12 times, 13 times. For example, this is Android version 13, So I am clicking on 13 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. As soon as this process of yours will be completed, now you have to come back from this page. Okay. After this, now you have to click on the option above it, that is a manual test on number 4 option. You have to open this option. Now some new pages will comes in your smartphone. Now you have to go to the last page which belongs to other by swiping it from the side, and now you will see total 5 options here. You have to work in these options very carefully. First of all, you have to click on the database version 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is also known as main board version. Okay. Now after completing it, you have to click on the option given here on number 2, that is read write important log test. You have to open it for the first time. You have to click on the cancel button. Second time same repeat the same process, cancel click, and third time also you have to repeat the same process, but in the fourth time you have to click on the OK button. Now you can see that your password has gone to reset mode. Now all you have to do is apply one last method and your smartphone will be unlocked. Now you have to go back to the device debugging page from this page, and this is the device debugging page. Okay, and here you will also see many options. You have to find option which name sensor self test and calibration. Now you have to open this option, and now you will be seeing 2 option, 3 option, single option here. Here all the options are in default, not a started mode. You have to start it automatically by touching it. If your test pass message has come, then your work is done. But if you still don't see a test pass message here and the failure message is coming, so understand, till now your pass will not come here. We'll keep doing this process again and again until your minimum 1 test pass message come, and you see test single at least test pass message come, then your work is done. By the way, you will click on the home button here, and you can see that your mobile is unlocked and there is no any photo, video and data loss of your smartphone. In this way you can unlock any Android smartphone if your mobile is still not unlocked. In that case, you can comment us by subscribe our YouTube channel. Our team definitely will reply to your comment so that you will be also able to unlock your mobile. Thank you for watching this video.